how to enable or disable fingerprint animation on Samsung Galaxy S21. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So today I'm going to show you how you can easily turn on or off the fingerprint animation on your Android device. So let's dive right in. You'll need to head over to the settings and then scroll down. You'll need to go to lock screen and AOD, and then there go to screen lock and biometrics. Now go ahead and tap on fingerprints, and there you'll see show animation when unlocking option. So if you want to disable, you can just tap on it to toggle it off, or if you want to restore it, then just tap on it and toggle it on to enable it. So it's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.